Hey, Steve here. We're at the Gardiner car show and hot rods in Solon, Ohio today. Doing a walkthrough. We'll see what they have. It's their first car show that they've had.
Educational and fall.
Nice Ford Roadster. They do, but very rarely. Chevelle.
Like that, but that's it. Yeah, was that shape? That's gorgeous. Oh,
396. Very nice. Chevy. A little bit of info on this one. Got a little bit of variety. Some older stuff, some newer stuff.
yeah. I was like, oh, they're pretty good. Just pull my sinker room in here.
I'm not even gonna. Nice 32 Ford Coupe.
That's animal. Those that's animal. Animal. Okay. Boy, this was interesting. How small the driver's seat was.
Chained.
Yes.
Or top.
Lotus.
Extra. Have to bubble leave down that end.
Yeah.
But that's okay.
Okay. I wonder if that's a Wolfgang. No, what do they call it? Not Wolfgang.
It's the Autobahn edition.
The Hellcat.
Yeah. Not quite as cool as
So this is their first car show that they've put on here, so not too many vehicles, but pretty decent turnout. Decent day. This weather's been weird lately.
Yeah, that's such
Yeah, Chevelle here. 402.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. You can't take that's a water.
Oh, well,
Wow.
I just stopped by and like, okay, I'm just swing by and see people.
Your little Falcon gasser.
Oh, yeah. Bought it, but. I actually went to look at it. Yeah. I've seen him.
My uncle got
We're getting down to the end here. So that's gonna put us to the end of the video for the Gardiner car show here in Solon. Please subscribe, like, leave a comment. This is probably one of the nicest cars that they have here at the show today. This car was completely redone, basically going off pictures. I believe what it is a factory super stock car, I think it was.
Oh. Nice and warm. You gonna do any trades this week, or you gonna hit again? Tomorrow, well, tomorrow's Sunday, I go to church on Sunday. Well, we're gonna do the trades.
Said, that's gonna definitely wrap up this car show here in Solon at Gardiner Car Show. See you on the next one.